Hey YouTube, so today I am making some chicken rigatoni. This is going to be a super easy recipe. I'm also making this with some broccolini and I've added some Cajun sausage to it just to make it a little bit different. So these are the seasonings that I'm going to add to my chicken, and I'm just adding a little bit of everything into this pan with some chicken tenderloin. So I didn't use any chicken breast this time. It was just chicken tenderloins. So I also have some onions and bell peppers as well as some butter. I'm sauteing that with some minced garlic. I'm going to add in some better than bouillon chicken base as well as some sun-dried tomatoes and some tomato paste. Mixing it all together, and I'm going to add in like 1 tablespoon of flour as well as 4 cups of milk. So I'm going to stir that all together and let that simmer. And while that's happening, I'm going to cook my rigatoni. I'm using the Barilla brand. This is going to be boiling for about 7 minutes. I don't want it to be completely done, just al dente. While that's going on, I'm checking on my chicken tenderloins, and this is pretty much done. So I'm going to let this simmer. And I'm going to also check on my sauce that I've been making. So I'm adding in some Parmesan and Romano cheese. This is like the brand that's kind of like the off brand of Kraft. And this is the one that you refrigerate. You're not shredding it by hand. Anyway, I'm pouring that in there and I'm gonna let that simmer. And while that's simmering, my rigatoni is ready. So I'm gonna add that to my chicken and just gonna spoonful that out using a strainer. And by the time I'm done with adding this, my cream sauce is going to be ready. If you notice, I didn't add like any salt and pepper or anything like that because that chicken base, that better than bouillon base, is heavenly seasoned. So I didn't add anything extra. So I am adding some diced tomatoes to this, just like half a can, and stirring it all up. And then I'm going to pour that cream sauce in there. So I'm going to add that in batches, like a little bit at a time, pour it, stir it, and I'm going to add the last of that sauce to it. This is going to bake in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. And I'm adding some more Parmesan and Asiago cheese on top, and again letting that bake. So now I'm going to work on my broccolini. I have diced up the Cajun and sausage, and I'm adding some minced garlic with that olive oil and letting that simmer. I've rinsed off the broccolini and I'm adding that to the pan. And I'm going to let that simmer for about 5 minutes, covering that. And once that's done simmering for 5 minutes, that's on like a medium heat, I'm adding some garlic butter to it. I'm going to let that cook for another minute, just letting that butter melt into the broccolini, and then it's done. So my rigatoni has been baking in the oven for about 20 minutes. I've taken it out, and this is how it looks. And it was very delicious. My daughter came over and she had some with my grandkid, and they both enjoyed it. The hubby also enjoyed it for his dinner at work too. So again, super quick, easy way of making some chicken rigatoni. I'll have the recipe on my website at plussizeInChicago.com. See you guys later.